Muraqaba, the Art of Vigilance. Cultivating Constant Divine Awareness. Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed. In our bustling lives, we often rush from one task to the next, our minds scattered, our hearts distracted. But what if there was a practice that could anchor you, sharpen your focus, and connect you profoundly to the divine in every moment? Today we delve into Muraqaba, the Art of Vigilance, cultivating constant divine awareness. We'll explore this core Sufi practice, often translated as contemplation or spiritual vigil, revealing how it transforms fleeting moments into profound encounters with Allah, prepared to awaken to an ever-present reality. Part 1. What is Muraqaba? Beyond meditation. Muraqaba comes from the Arabic root raqaba, meaning to watch, observe, or guard. In Sufism, it signifies a state of sustained spiritual vigilance, a constant awareness of Allah's presence and His observation of you, more than meditation. While it shares similarities with meditation, Muraqaba is distinct. It's not just about emptying the mind, but about filling it with the consciousness of Allah. It's about being keenly aware, both inwardly and outwardly. The watcher and the watched. At its core, Muraqaba is realizing that Allah is Al-Raqeeb, the all-watchful, the observer, and simultaneously realizing that you are being watched. This awareness isn't one of fear, but of profound reverence, love, and immense respect. A state of presence. It's cultivating a deep, living presence with Allah in every breath, every action, every thought. It means being fully present to the divine reality of the moment. Sufi Sitting by the River Part 2. The foundations of Muraqaba. Why it's essential. Why is Muraqaba so central to the Sufi path? It stems from fundamental Islamic principles. Divine omnipresence. The Quran states, "And He is with you wherever you are." 57-4, and verily Allah is ever watching over you. 4-1. Muraqaba is the experiential realization of these truths. Ihsan, spiritual excellence. Muraqaba embodies the highest level of faith. Ihsan is described by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Ihsan is to worship Allah as if you see Him, and if you cannot achieve this state of devotion, then at least know that He sees you. Muraqaba is precisely this knowing that He sees you. It then cultivates the as if you see Him. Combating ghafla, heedlessness. Our modern lives are rife with distractions, leading to ghafla, forgetfulness of Allah. Muraqaba is the antidote, continuously pulling us back to awareness, safeguarding our hearts from spiritual negligence. Purification of the heart, tazkiyat, al-Nafs. By becoming aware that Allah witnesses our innermost thoughts and intentions, we become more mindful, leading to self-correction and a purification of our character. It exposes the hidden impurities of the ego. Part 3. How to practice Muraqaba. The art of cultivation Muraqaba is a progressive practice, moving from formal sessions to an integrated way of life. Formal practice sitting Muraqaba. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably, preferably in a dimly lit room, focusing on your breath, tension. Form the clear intention to be fully present with Allah. Focus on divine awareness. Consciously bring to mind Allah's constant observation. You can repeat phrases like, "Allah's watching me," "Allah's witnessing me," or "He is with me." Observe thoughts and emotions. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them gently without judgment, and then bring your awareness back to Allah's presence. Not engage with distractions. Duration. Start with short sessions and gradually increase as your focus improves. Informal practice, daily Muraqaba. Conscious actions in every daily activity. Eating, working, speaking. Remind yourself that Allah is witnessing you. Ask, is this pleasing to Him? Silence and stillness. Seek moments of stillness amidst your day. A pause before a meal, a moment looking at the sky, a conscious breath, inner dialogue. Develop an ongoing inner dialogue with Allah, confiding in Him, seeking His guidance, and expressing gratitude. Slow counting muhasaba. At the end of the day, review your actions and intentions, seeking forgiveness for shortcomings, and gratitude for blessings. This strengthens the sense of divine accountability. Part 4. The Fruits of Muraqaba. Profound Transformations. Consistent practice of Muraqaba yields incredible spiritual fruits. Profound inner peace, sakina. Knowing you are constantly in Allah's protective care brings an unshakable tranquility, freeing you from anxiety and fear of the unknown. Authenticity. When you are constantly aware of Allah's gaze, your actions become more sincere, less influenced by others' opinions or egoic desires. You live with integrity. Enhanced awareness. Your perception of the world deepens. You begin to see Allah's signs in everything, feeling His presence in every atom and event. Increased love and awe. The awareness of His closeness fosters immense love for His generosity and profound awe for His majesty. Spiritual openings, cash. As veils are lifted through vigilance, intuitive insights and deeper understandings of reality may be granted, subtle unveilings that lead to greater gnosis. The death before death. Muraqaba is a training for the ultimate encounter with Allah. It helps prepare the soul for the transition, transforming the fear of death into anticipation of reunion. Conclusion: the ever-present connection. Muraqaba is truly the art of living with constant divine awareness. It's not just a technique. It's a way of being that transforms mundane existence into a continuous spiritual journey. By consciously cultivating the awareness that Allah is Al-Raqeeb, the All-Watcher, we unlock profound inner peace, purify our hearts, and establish an unbroken connection with the source of all being. Embrace Muraqaba, and you'll find that you are never truly alone, but always in the sacred company of the divine. This is truly the essence of Sufi essence. Thank you for joining me on this profound exploration of Muraqaba. If this lecture resonated with your spirit, please like this video. Subscribe to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed and share your experiences with spiritual vigilance in the comments below. Until our next spiritual unveiling, may Allah bless us with constant awareness of His beautiful presence.